Text-to-video generators are now trendy. Now you can generate videos from text prompts and turn your images into videos within a few seconds. There are several video generators available on the internet. However, today, I will talk about an open-source video generator AI called Hunyuan AI. So, without further ado, let's dive in. A new open-source video model has been released by Tencent, and it's called Hunyuan Video. With 13 billion parameters, it significantly outperforms previous models like Runway Gen 3 and Luma 1.6. It's a high-quality model that can run locally, but here's the catch. You'll need between 45 and 60 gigabytes of video memory. That's not something most consumer GPUs can handle, at least not yet. Now what if you don't have such a highly configured PC? Don't worry, there is a way. You can install Hunyuan on a powerful virtual PC called Mimic PC. Mimic PC is a cutting-edge cloud-based platform that brings powerful AI tools to your fingertips without needing high-performance hardware. Perfect for developers, artists, and tech enthusiasts, Mimic PC provides seamless access to popular applications like Stable Diffusion, Comfy UI, and more directly from your browser. Today, I will use Mimic PC and Comfy UI to run Hunyuan AI Video Generator. I will put the link in the description box. Once you are on this page, click here and then create an account. Once you are logged in, your interface will be like this. Here you will find some popular apps like Auto 1111 Web UI, Focus, Face Fusion, Comfy UI, Invoke AI, Whisper Web UI, and more. You can select any of them and start generating content. If you want to add a new app, then click on the Add New App from here. After that, you will find your created app. As I don't create any app, this page is blank. Next, in the Discover tab, you will find various customized workflows to generate images, audio, and video. Next, you will find the Tutorial Hub. Here you will find detailed tutorial videos to use Mimic PC and tools. Okay, let's come back to the Workflow Discover tab. Here you will find pre-built workflows for various use cases. If you click on the drop-down button from here, you will find Transform Videos and Generate Videos workflows. In the Generate Videos tab, you will find various video generator workflows like Hunyuan, LTX Video, Cog Video X, and more. As I want to use Hunyuan, I am selecting the workflow. After coming to this page, click on the Operate button from here. This side panel is going to open up. The first thing you have is the file and app version information. Next, we have to choose the hardware. From the drop-down menu, you can choose from Medium, Large, Large Pro, Large Pro Plus, Ultra, Ultra Pro, and Mini. Next, here you can two options, Instant and Bargain. The Instant mode will generate faster and be stable, but cost more credits, while Bargain will cost fewer credits, but the GPU resources are limited. This option may not be available all the time. One of the options is limited, which means resources is running low and have high chances of being interrupted. So, if you want to use the workflow or tool, use the Instant mode. Below that, we have the mission time, so you can choose any amount of time that you want. Basically, this is the amount of time that you want to run the application. If you need to run longer, you can always extend, and if you need to stop earlier, that's no problem either. You can also check and uncheck the buttons for automatic stop reminders and automatic extensions. Down here, we also have the storage information, where you can see the amount of storage that you have available and the storage you've used as well. At the very bottom, you can go ahead and hit Create and Start. Now, this is going to start setting up your workflow, and it will take a few minutes. Let's fast forward this part. And here it is. Our Comfy UI is ready for use. This is the full workflow. You can see all the nodes. This is the Hunyuan Video Model Loader. Here you can change the video generation model. Once you click here, you will find all the models, including Flux One image generation models, Hunyuan, and even Mochi video generation models. I will select this one. After that, there are some advanced settings. I won't dive so deep now. Okay, next. In this text encode node, we have to enter the prompt. I am entering a ready prompt about Elon Musk and Donald Trump fighting. After entering the prompt, come to the video sampler node. Here, first of all, we need to set the frame height and width. Set the value you want to use, and then click on the OK button. After that, set the number of frames. A larger value will create longer video results, but take longer time. Next, you can set the steps, seed, and other values. Once done, come to the Video Combine node. Here you can set the frame rate, loop count, file format, and file names. We are done. Now to run the workflow, click on the Q button from here. Here you can see that Comfy UI started its work. You can see the progress from here, and it will take some time. Let's fast forward this part. And here it is. The video is ready. The quality is good. Most importantly, the Hunyuan video generator generates video in context. You can see that it generates videos of Trump and Elon Musk. It portrays the characters perfectly. However, there is some morphing. It's because of the fast movement. We fix it by enhancing the prompt. To download the video, come to the file section from here. Click on the output folder. You will find two files here. Select the video file. Click on the three-dot menu, and then download the video on your device. Alright, now let's generate another video. Christmas is here. Let's generate a Santa video. I am entering another ready prompt. After entering the prompt, I set the resolution and number of frames. Once all the settings are set, hit the Q button. Now we have to wait some time. And here is the resulting video. This is just amazing. Hunyuan generates outstanding results. This is all about how you can generate videos from text prompts. Unfortunately, there is no image-to-video generation model available on this model. You can customize the workflow and add an image loader to generate videos from images. But if you are lazy like me, then you can use another workflow that can generate image-to-video. For example, this LTX video generator workflow can generate videos from both text and image. I will use this one. Click on the Operate button. Next, select the GPU and runtime, and then hit the Create button. This is the LTX video generator. Here you will find two groups. This one is text to video, and the upper one is image to video. At this moment, image to video is disabled. To enable it, right-click on the group, and then select Set Group Nodes to Always. After that, we have to disable the text to video group. This time, select the Set Group Nodes to Never. Okay, now come to the Image to Video node. Here in the Load Image node, we have to upload the image we want to convert into a video. After uploading the image, come to this text encode prompt box. Enter the text prompt in this box. I am customizing the existing prompt. After that, you can add a negative prompt in this box. Next, in this scheduler node, you can set step shift and terminal values. Okay, now come to the image to video node here. Set the video width and height value. After that, set the length of the video. Once done, set the frame rate in this node. Next, there are some other nodes for advanced settings. I won't customize it now. Okay, once everything is set, hit the Q button from here. Like before, we have to wait some time now. And here is the resulting video. That's really amazing. Now, in the same method, you can generate videos using the text-to-video model. Not only video, but you can also generate images using various image generator workflows and apps, generate text-based content, and even audio on Mimic PC. Most importantly, you can install any open-source model on Mimic PC. Mimic PC has more than you think. It can explore in one video. So, we will make more videos on this. In that time, don't forget to explore yourself. Link in the description. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience of using Mimic PC. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.